my channel. If you're new, my name is Vanessa, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey. So today I'm going to be talking all about my Plant Lady Chronicles, you guys. Ever since I've been owning a home, I've been obsessed with like home decor, anything home related. I've been obsessed. Recently, I've been wanting to get into the plant game. I want to be a plant lady. If you want to know what I got, then keep on watching. That's one of my goals. I'm slowly trying to learn about new plants and which ones are good and easy to care for, and then kind of start off that way, and then kind of want to do indoor plants, some outdoor. I kind of want to do like a little garden. I just want all of that. I'm so down. That's something that I kind of been obsessed with recently. So I kind of wanted to build up my little toolkit because everything is kind of pricey. And I'm very particular when it comes to anything in my home. Anything in my home, like my kitchen, everything has to be lime green or white or glass or chrome. But for the most part, lime green, everything, or it's out. I kick it out of my kitchen. I'm not playing those games. So I'm very picky. And for my garden as well, I'm doing white, grays, and lime green. So I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I picked up at the 99-cent store. Yes, the 99-cent store. Not all 99-cent stores are the same. I kind of go to 3 different locations. I always just randomly go. Some 99-cent stores do have a bigger gardening selection than others, so you kind of just have to go and see what they have. Sometimes they don't always have the same stuff, so you just kind of have to go and check it out and see what they have. Okay. So I have all the stuff that I bought at the 99-cent store in a bag, so I'm just going to dig through it. You guys, I got this gardening kneel pad. This is what it looks like. So you kind of like, this is kind of like cushion for your knees. I know I'm being extra with this, but hey, if I'm going to be on my knees, I'd rather have some support, if you know what I'm saying. That's what she said. So if you guys want to have some kneel support when you're on the floor gardening, then this is a must. And for $1, I said, hey, why not? Because I've seen these at Target and they're not this cheap, so I decided to pick it up, and it's lime green, so I said, let's go. Next is this garden spray. It's lime green. You can plant food in here with water, or you can just put water for the more delicate plants that just need like a mist of water. A lot of the cactuses or air plant. A great addition to my gardening kit. So if I want to cut plants or do some kind of cutting, then this would be ideal. So I wanted to pick this up because I know some tools like these can run pricey. And it's lime green, so I had to take it home. You know how I do. I picked these up at Walmart. Sorry, I'll let you know if everything's for the most part from the 99-cent store, but if it is from a different store, then I'll let you guys know where I got it. So I got these at Walmart because a lot of my plants have the pots have holes in the bottom, so the water runs through, and it doesn't rot the plant by adding too much water and it not running through and it just kind of sitting there. So a lot of my pots do have holes in the bottom, so if I'm going to bring them indoors, then I want to have this, because if I have my plants sitting on my table or sitting somewhere, then the water's going to run and it's going to make a mess. So I picked these up at Walmart. They're 92 cents each, so I got one of these, like planting new stuff or making a hole for another tool. I picked cushion to when you hold it, so it's very comfortable. It's kind of like these 2-in-1, but I wanted to get this one. It has the prongs right there, and then this part right here, which I thought was cool. So this is kind of like a 2-in-1 tool. So I said, why not? I'm just going to get it. And then this one is your normal one, and then your prongs right here. I have a designated scissor just for my gardening toolkit, and that way it's always with my gardening stuff. And if I need scissors, they're just going to be used for the garden or plant. $1.99 at the 99-cent store. So you're going to notice that a lot of the stuff for the most part 99 cents. Some other stuff is $1.99, but still this for $2 is very, very affordable. It has cushion right here, so they're really comfortable, and for $2 I couldn't beat that price, so I had to pick this up. I also wanted to show you guys that the 99-cent store does have a big selection of pots for your plants, ceramic and plastic. I will be showing you guys a video of all the plastic ones I got in my little garden that I'm trying to build, or like my plant. I'm calling it my flamingo garden. So I'm just getting started on that, and I did pick up a lot of the pots, the plastic pots at the 99-cent store, and they were all $1 each. And because I was starting off and that's my favorite color, I decided to get a variety of different styles of pots, but still in the lime green category. So I wanted to share that with you. I did pick them up a couple of weeks ago and they're already being used. So pretty, and for $1 you can't beat this. Plants do not have a hole, so you want to make sure when you are watering your plants, because the water is not going to run through here, it's going to stay in the pot. So whatever plant you have in here, you want to make sure you don't overwater it, because the water is just going to stay here and it's going to kill the plant. You're going to overwater your plant. What's going to happen is that you're going to get rotting root. Basically, the plant has too much water, so it's going to die on you. So you want to make sure whenever you use ceramic pots, if they don't have a hole, you need to be very careful of what kind of plants you put in here and how much water you're going to be putting. Just love the detail. It kind of looks like vintagey or more rusty looking, and I just love the gray and white tone on it. Next is this pot. A lot of the pots that I picked up at the 99-cent store that I do have in my garden are this color, but in different styles of pots. You're gonna see squared, small, medium, large, different designs. So this is the one that I picked up this week. I just thought it was so pretty with the detail, and it matches the same color of the other pots that I have. And these are really awesome too, because if you see right here, it doesn't have a hole, but if you do want to make it to have a hole, you basically get a pen and punch in through, and it already kind of has a perforated hole, so you just kind of have to push it with the pen and it's gonna make a hole. So this one's awesome because you can kind of decide, do I want a hole, yes or not. The design was just so beautiful. When I want to appropriate any new plant, I like to put them here in water so they can grow roots. And this clear one, I always like to have different vases ready to go when I get roses, or if I want to have new plants grow new roots, I put them in here with water for a couple of weeks, and then once they start growing roots, then I could put them in the soil and regrow new plants. Diamond shaped crystals. I was thinking about putting crystals in the plants that are going to be indoors just to make it more extra, because you know me, I like to have shimmery glitter, anything extra that I can add to anything. Of course I'm going to do it. So I just picked up 2 at the 99-cent store because I wanted to see how it's going to look, or if it's even going to be that noticeable to have it in every plant. But for $1, I figured I'd give it a try. So this is what they look like. So basically I would put this on top of my already potted plant, so that way it kind of gives it a design. You can do different colored rocks, moss, to make it look more pretty. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what kind of plants you have, so let me know, share with me any new plants you have or any recommendations. I'm always wanting to learn about new plants or which ones I don't have and I want to add to my collection. So if you're a plant lady like me, hit the like button, put the thumbs up, and comment down below. I want to know what kind of plants you have and if you have them indoors or outdoors. But I wanted to share with you guys because this is a new passion of mine, so I would definitely wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys on my next video. All right, bye guys.